Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What drinks help you live longer? Do you believe that you can live for 100 years? Some people can actually do it. Meaning you can also live for 1 century and even go a little beyond that with the right practices and habits. One of the secrets of centenarians is drinking the right beverages to boost their longevity. Some drinks can actually promote a longer lifespan that can make you live longer if taken regularly in the right amount. Here are 5 drinks that will surely boost your longevity. Number 1. Black tea. Black tea has similar benefits to green tea, such as containing caffeine and antioxidants. Having these healthy substances make black tea a great source of boost in longevity. People who regularly drink black tea lower their risk of several chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, cancer, stroke and cardiovascular disease. Black tea drinkers also have better digestion and gut health compared with non-drinkers. Number 2. Coffee. Generally, coffee has caffeine that offers a wide range of health benefits to its drinkers. In the US, Americans have always been fond of drinking coffee day and night. Hence, it has become part of their diet. With this, their primary source of antioxidants is in coffee. Coffee can help in giving you longer life as it is rich in essential nutrients, like vitamin B5, manganese, magnesium, potassium and niacin. Consuming coffee can lower your risk of cancer, depression, liver disease, neurodegenerative diseases and type 2 diabetes. Number 3. Green tea. This type of tea is originally produced in China and Japan and is made from unfermented leaves that are pale in color and with slight bitter flavors. In fact, in the blue zone of Okinawa, people are filling up a 20-ounce jar of tea leaves and drinking it all day long. There are 2 reasons why Japanese drink so much green tea. First is because it has caffeine that helps in lowering the risk of diabetes, heart disease, dementia and Parkinson's disease. Second is because green tea is high in flavonols, a type of antioxidant that is associated with reduction of bad cholesterol in our body. Number 4. Cranberry juice. Research suggests that drinking low-calorie cranberry juice helps lower your risk of heart disease. This juice is filled with polyphenols and antioxidants that fight against inflammation and decrease your likelihood of having heart problems. It also contains essential nutrients, such as vitamin C, vitamin B6 and vitamin E that promote body wellness. Cranberry juice is worth drinking to help you live longer. You just have to be sure to limit your drinking to at least 8 ounces per day, and you are drinking a sugar-free cranberry juice to get all its positive health benefits. Number 5. Red wine. Yes, red wine is not only a stress reliever drink after a long day. Wine lovers can actually get scientifically proven health benefits from drinking red wine. Experts suggest that drinking less than 4 ounces or a glass of red wine every day can add to your quality of life. Drinking at least twice a day can lower the chance of dying than people who do not drink red wine at all. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.